Hey kids! Welcome back to our channel, the place where we learn cool stuff every day. Are you ready for a bedtime story that's full of wonder and excitement? Our story is called The Tale of Max and the AI Garden, and it's all about a curious 9-year-old boy named Max and his exciting adventure with a friendly robot named AIva. Max loves spending time in his garden, and one sunny afternoon, his grandpa Joe, a retired scientist, introduces him to AIva, an AI-powered gardening assistant. AIva is here to help Max make his garden grow better and faster, and along the way, they discover all the amazing things AI can do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Max was a curious and imaginative 9-year-old boy who loved spending time in his garden. One sunny afternoon, as he was tending to his plants, his grandfather, Grandpa Joe, called him inside. Grandpa Joe was a retired scientist with a love for teaching Max about new technologies. "Max," Grandpa Joe said, "I have something special to show you. It's a new friend who will help us in the garden." Max's eyes widened with excitement as Grandpa Joe introduced him to a small, friendly robot named AIva. AIva was an AI-powered gardening assistant designed to help plants grow better and faster. "Hello, Max," AIva greeted cheerfully. "I'm here to help you take care of the garden and teach you all about how AI can make gardening fun and easy." Max was thrilled. He had always loved learning new things, and the idea of having a robot friend was amazing. Together, they went outside to the garden, where AIva began to explain how it worked. "AIva," Max asked, "how can you help us with the garden?" AIva smiled. "I have sensors that can check the soil moisture, temperature, and light levels. I can also identify different plants and tell you what they need to grow healthy and strong. Let's start by checking the soil." Max watched in awe as AIva extended a tiny sensor into the soil. "The soil is a bit dry," AIva reported. "We should water the plants." Max grabbed the watering can and started watering the plants. AIva showed him the right amount of water each plant needed. "Too much water can be bad for some plants," AIva explained. "But don't worry, I'll help you get it just right." After watering the plants, AIva suggested they check the temperature and light levels. Max held AIva up to different plants, and AIva's sensors gathered information. "The tomatoes need more sunlight," AIva said. "Let's move them to a sunnier spot." Max carefully moved the tomato plants to a place with more sunlight. He was learning so much from AIva, and it was fun. As they worked, AIva shared interesting facts about plants and how AI was helping farmers around the world grow better crops. "Did you know," AIva said, "that AI can also help identify pests and diseases in plants? It can analyze pictures of leaves and tell if there's a problem." Max was fascinated. "Really? Can you show me?" AIva nodded. "Sure, let's take a look at your cucumber plants." Max led AIva to the cucumber patch. AIva scanned the leaves and quickly identified some tiny bugs. "These are aphids," AIva explained. "They can harm the plants by sucking their juices, but don't worry, we can use a natural remedy to get rid of them." AIva showed Max how to make a simple spray using water and a little dish soap. "This will help keep the aphids away without hurting the plants," AIva said. Max sprayed the cucumber plants, feeling proud of all the new things he was learning. With AIva's help, his garden was looking healthier and happier than ever. As the days passed, Max and AIva continued to work together in the garden. AIva taught Max about the importance of different nutrients for plants and how to make compost to enrich the soil. Max even learned how AI was helping scientists create new types of plants that could grow in harsh conditions. One day, Grandpa Joe joined them in the garden. "Max," he said, "you've done a wonderful job with Alva's help. Your garden looks fantastic." Max beamed with pride. "Thanks, Grandpa. Alva has taught me so much about plants and AI. It's amazing how technology can help us take care of the garden." Grandpa Joe smiled. "I'm glad to hear that, Max. AI is indeed a powerful tool. It's helping people all over the world in many ways, from farming to medicine and even space exploration." Max's eyes sparkled with curiosity. "Can Alva tell me more about how AI is used in other places?" Alva nodded. "Of course. AI is used in many exciting fields. For example, in medicine, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases and find the best treatments. In space exploration, AI helps control rovers on Mars and analyze data from space missions. AI is also used in creating smart homes, where everything from lights to security systems can be controlled automatically." Max listened with fascination. He realized that AI was not just a tool for the garden, but something that could change the world in many wonderful ways. One evening, as the sun set and the garden glowed with the last light of day, Max sat with Alva and Grandpa Joe. "Alva," Max said, "thank you for teaching me so much. I never knew gardening could be this fun and interesting." Alva smiled. "I'm glad you enjoyed it, Max. Remember, AI is here to help us make our lives easier and better, and there's always more to learn and discover." Max looked at his garden, now thriving with healthy plants and colorful flowers. He felt proud of what he had accomplished with Alva's help. He knew that this was just the beginning of his adventures with AI. As the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, Max made a promise to himself. He would keep learning about AI and all the amazing things it could do. With Alva by his side, there was no limit to what he could achieve. And so, Max's journey of discovery continued, filled with curiosity, wonder, and the joy of learning about the incredible world of AI.
Ba-la-la-la.